Hi.
Hi.
Y'all.
We are coming at you with Target boxes. And I guess you can't go into the store and buy these. These boxes have to be ordered online, right?
$7. Free
So-
shipping.
Cindy got 2 of them, so she's going to open that one. I'm going to open this one. We're going to talk about the little products.
And
It's
then-
all trial sizes. They don't give you anything full size.
Right.
So.
The main reason that I started getting a few of these is because I knew we were going on vacation, and it's great to throw all these sample sizes in to bring instead of big old tubes. So go ahead. Let's
right.
see what's in the springy
Pretty
box.
box. Yay.
I know it's in there. I already looked. Debbie does.
April showers.
All right. Let's see.
The first thing in here is That's Incredipeel.
Gradually releases glycolic acid overnight to target fine lines, discoloration. Oh, it's probably like a...
I should just patch it right here. And that way you can't see all the wrinkled skin. All right, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Cindy's gonna like because she has these Puffy Eye Attack.
I forget she's so perfect. I need help.
I don't have puffy eyes in the morning. She does.
Yeah, those are just their hydrogel patches. They brighten, they moisturize. Now those are some pretty eyes.
All right.
That's kind of cool. I like the packaging. Good job, guys.
The next thing, Degree Dry Spray. Oh, Degree is antiperspirant, right?
Yeah, and it's not the sticky stuff. So that's going in my bag.
Oh,
see
it's a
if
spray.
Yeah, let's see if it smells.
Ooh, it smells good.
Very fresh. So when you're dropping stuff in front of those Scotsmen, you can be...
I'm gonna be wearing more than that, my friend. This is dry shampoo. I never use dry shampoo, but I don't know.
Dove
Dry shampoo.
After spritzing onto hair, massage into roots to take your locks from limp. Well, if we're out sweating all day and we're gonna go into a little pub,
You gonna carry this in your purse all day just in case we're sweating all day? I'm not.
I love the smell of this. I've never
Good thing
used
they're
dry
rubber
shampoo
boxes.
because I just feel like it weights your hair down. But maybe I'm not doing it
I don't
right.
like putting stuff in my hair at all. I don't like putting anything in my hair, so this would really drive me
You
nuts.
can All right, what do we got, Bedhead?
So, by TG Bedhead.
After Party Smoothing Cream. Why is it after party? It says castor seed oil smooths hair and imparts shine while antifreeze properties help block out humidity.
It says you must have a sense of humor to use our products. I don't know.
It's right up our alley, but you can have that because I don't really have the problem with the frizzies as I see little things popping up here.
Yeah, me too. My hair all broke off after. Look at all these short hairs up here that broke off when she bleached my hair. And then she just has Crest 3D White.
Right in my suitcase.
That's a nice toothpaste.
Yes.
So that's a pretty nice box. I mean, I don't know if it's worth $7, but
It's just little sample
Yeah.
stuff. All right.
but you also get a $3 off coupon to take off your next purchase at Target, which is kind of nice. She
Yeah.
gets one with each box.
So then with this box, I like this box. I already peeked inside so you can look at it. It's very, very cool. So the first thing we got, I love Beauty and Planet. All of their stuff is awesome.
Yeah,
And
right now I'm
this-
using I use their shampoo, their conditioner, their body lotion. I got their bath bombs. I got their underarm deodorant.
And now they have a 3-minute magic mask, and it probably smells like roses too. Mm-hmm. So
I'm sure it does. 'Cause
this
that's what it says.
is awesome because we are bringing some
They don't put
facial
rose
masks
on there if they're
for
not
a night over there.
It must smell like coconut. It's in a pink package that says roses. Oh yeah, it's the coconut scent. All right, what's your next product?
I wonder if this will open.
That's a butter mask sachet, it says.
All right.
I used to do that to Cindy. We had a restaurant, an Italian pizza place, and we worked there as teenagers, and she'd be busy making an order, and I'd stand there with a ketchup packet, and I'd roll it up really tight, and I'd stand there with it by her face, and she'd be, that better not break on me, that better not break on me. I said, it won't break, and all of a sudden, pooh, the ketchup went all over her
And I had to
face.
keep
There's
making the
pickles.
order with the ketchup hanging on my face.
I used to do that with ketchup packets, and I used to hold rubber bands at her face while she was making the orders. I was kind of a brat.
You wonder why we get along now. Oh, here's something else from Love, Beauty, and Planet. It is their hand lotion.
That must be the rose scented stuff.
Why, you are right. It also has coconut water in there. All right, I just love their stuff. So
Yeah, I do too.
don't do this at home. All right, here we go.
Don't know where to put it. What the heck?
Oh, that smells just...
They have lilac. They have all different scents that all smell wonderful.
Oh, and it's good for the planet, and there's no, like, crap in there. It's wonderful. It's yes to vegan, no dyes, no para something. What is that?
I don't know,
Anyway.
it's kind of leaving my hands sticky. My hands are sticky. I don't know if I'm liking that little hand lotion thing.
All right, moving on. She can use this to get it off. This is Schmidt's Cedarwood and Juniper Natural Soap.
Wait.
Can't smell it through the package.
Ooh, it's black. Ooh, it looks like licorice.
Not a fan.
No,
It's very woodsy, but not like a sexy man woodsy.
no, I just turned over a moldy log.
Now, some of you may like that
No, a lot of
smell.
people like sandalwood. I'm not a sandalwood fan, so
Obviously.
I don't think the soap would be something I'd purchase, but it was fun. Fun to get a whiff.
All right, and now we got the good stuff. Complete Repair Balm. No rinse conditioner.
Oh, this is something you leave in your hair?
Ooh, this is nice. Yeah, you
These
just...
wax soft and smooth while lightweight microsilicones shield hair from daily damage, repair strands with every use.
And you leave it in. Here, I got some right here.
Can you put it in dry hair?
I don't know.
Skip the rinse off conditioner. Start with a quarter size amount spread in your hands. Work through the towel dry.
Smells
Oh,
really
it has to
good.
be damp hair.
It's really good. It's probably good. to
It's the
put-
good stuff. You know that song? It's a country western song.
Don't give up your day job. Next for you,
Singing
we
is
have
not my forte.
Shea Moisture Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub.
African black soap clarifying. African black soap absorbs impurities, controls excess oil, and detoxifies skin, while tamarind extract and tea tree oil brighten and clarify. Somebody told me that tea tree oil is really bad for animals.
Smells good.
Oh, come on.
Smells
I want it
really
up my
good.
nose. I just said I don't
It's
like it.
just... All right, I like it actually. It's got a little bit of grit to it, so it's a little bit of an exfoliant, so that's nice.
And then the last thing is Burt's Bee Enamel Care Mountain Mint Toothpaste.
Oh, so we got a few toothpaste to take.
Yeah, but I don't know if bringing 3 or 4 travel size is worth. You might as well just throw 1 tube in your suitcase. I guess as you use them, though, you can throw them away and not have to carry it back with you.
Yeah, I mean, you just throw it away when you're done.
Yeah.
You don't have to,
Yeah.
you don't care. It's just travel size.
Okay,
So
that makes sense.
I like this. I like the mask. I like the hand lotion. The soap is going to go bye-bye.
Well, that's a good one to send to Lowell for her brother.
So, for $7 a box, I like them. It's nice and cute little storage boxes again. You know, I'm all into this Marie Kondo tidying thing, so.
You should see her house. Everything is in little balls this big, lined up.
Well, her drawers are like that too.
Yeah, but she did them.
Anyway, I think we're forgetting some business.
Oh, our subscription button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would hope that you would throw us a bone and subscribe. We don't know if our next goal should be 3,000 or 2,500. We're not sure yet, so we'll see how fast that little ticker moves. Thanks for subscribing, and I guess we'll just see you in the next video.
You betcha.
Bye.
Bye.